guitar cable to go into the input, and we'll turn the amp on. What you're hearing straight away is hum. So we know you can't really hear over that hum. So what that hum's indicating is our ground circuit's not complete. So I'm suspecting once we turn over this guitar, there'll be a wire we've forgotten to install, or a wire that's come loose. So we'll just see. Of course, it's the wire off the input jack. So because we've already got a lot of ground wires going to the volume pot, I'm going to put this one to the tone pot. And I think you'll find as soon as we do that, our noise will disappear.